What's up, guys? How you doing today? Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
What's up, my man? You guys ready?
We are.
Head on over here. I'm Michael Anthony. I'm a wedding and portrait photographer based in Los Angeles, California. Today we're at Vasquez Rocks for Jeremy and Leo's engagement session. We'll be photographing them with this beautiful red gown and this amazing motorcycle over here.
So my wife Jennifer was a nurse and I was a police officer, and we both left those careers to start Michael Anthony Photography. Being able to spend our lives together, creating images and telling stories, traveling the entire world has been one of the most fulfilling things that we've ever thought was possible.
Hold that right there, guys.
Light is the essential component to storytelling. We use lighting to influence the mood in a photograph, whether we're looking for something dark and dramatic or bright and airy. We can use lighting to help tell the story that helps complete our vision and helps provide a more complete story for our clients. As a wedding photographer, we often don't have control over the situations that we're working in terms of lighting. We'll make decisions on the fly, so our lighting equipment has to be flexible and we have to be able to work in a variety of different circumstances. I love working in the studio because we are able to control all of the elements in a particular shoot. Whether we're looking to do something traditional or we're looking to do something more creative, we have the ability to shape the light however we want around our subjects.
Cool, and then slide this hand back on your thigh a little bit and then turn your chin this way. Hold that for a second, roll your shoulders back. Perfect, perfect, one more time.
In the past, working with other lighting brands, we would have to adjust 3 different menu settings just to change the power of our light. Now working with Profoto, we can change one knob and get to our shot quickly and spend more time interacting with our clients.
Last thing, this shoulder now, we want to roll it down. Yeah, just like that, turn the chin to this side. Hold that.
In the studio, we use a digital medium format camera, and on location, we use a full frame camera that allows us to capture fast moving motion. The ability of the Profoto system to adapt to any camera system using a different trigger makes life very easy for us, and it allows us to create beautiful photos no matter what circumstances that we're working with. Prior to the B1 being launched, we were limited by the environment that we were working in. We had to consistently find scenarios where the ambient light wasn't that strong. Now we're able to choose any scene that we want at any time of day, and we're able to create the type of light that we want, and that's essential for our style of photography. The one thing I value most about the Profoto system over any other lighting brand is creative consistency. I know that my equipment's gonna work every single time, no matter what environment that I'm working in, and I know that I'm gonna have the tools to create the perfect image to match my vision.
Oh, I love it.
Our style of photography would not exist without the Profoto system.
Here we go, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3.
We look at every single client as a new opportunity to tell a new story. Our clients continue to come back to us because we're delivering them consistent results. Having a full studio in a bag allows us to accomplish that and not be ruled by the circumstances. Nowadays, the wedding photography landscape is more competitive than it has ever been before, so the need to stand out and be different is more important than it has ever been in the past. We use creative lighting to make sure that we're delivering that uniqueness and that differentiation. being able to deliver the best quality portraits starts with using the best quality gear.